Plate Tectonics by Jace and Hunter.
Divergent boundaries. The orange here represents the Earth's mantle. The arrows here represent the convection currents. The pink here represents the Earth's plate tectonics. Because the convection currents are going opposite of each other, the tectonic plates will eventually break apart and move in different directions, like this. A famous divergent boundary is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Volcanoes and earthquakes are caused because of divergent boundaries. Transformative boundaries. There are two types of transformative boundaries. One is that two plates here can move apart from each other and slide past each other. The other one is that the two plates will eventually move together in the same direction, like this. Transformative boundaries cause earthquakes. The most famous transformative boundary is in California. It is called the San Andreas Fault. There are three types of convergent boundaries: continental-continental collision, continental-oceanic collision, and oceanic-oceanic collision. Continental-continental collision. Again, this is the mantle, and these are the convection currents. And this is the plate tectonics. Because the two convection currents are moving together, the two plate tectonics will collide. Let's pretend that this heavier, denser one will collide with this lesser, denser one. Because usually the heavier, denser one will subduct into the Earth's mantle, and the lesser, denser one will cause mountain ranges and will reach to the surface, making mountains. The most common mountain range because of continental-continental collision are the Himalayan mountains. Continental-oceanic collision. Again, these are convection currents. This is the oceanic plate, and this is the continental plate. As you can see, our convection currents are moving with each other, so the two plates will collide. Usually, the oceanic plate here is the older, denser plate, even though it doesn't look like it. So, when the two plates will collide, the oceanic plate will subduct down under, and the continental plate will rise to the top, forming volcanoes and earthquakes, and also mountains. The most common phenomena for oceanic continental collision are the Andes Mountains. Oceanic collision. Again, these are convection currents, and this time we have two oceanic plates. Since the two convection currents are moving together again, the two plates will collide. We'll say that this plate is the more denser plate and older one, so it will go subduct under, and while the lesser denser younger plate will reach to the top, surfacing, causing tsunamis, volcanoes, and earthquakes. So here's some volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunamis, which are big waves. The most famous oceanic collision phenomena are the Aleutian Islands, which make the tail of Alaska. Layers of the Earth. So the first layer of the Earth is known as the crust. It is 30 miles deep, and it is between 392 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. In the mantle, it is 7,230 degrees Fahrenheit and 1,800 miles deep. In the outer core, it is 7,280 degrees and 1,400 miles deep. The core here, the center one, is 750 miles deep and is 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit.